Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. And today I've got another watch here that's in the box, and I'm going to open this up and show it to you guys. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for all the interaction with the channel, liking, subscribing, and leaving comments in the comment section below. I really do appreciate that, and I try to respond to as many comments as I can. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. If you do like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick those up and wear them for yourself. So without further ado, let's get into this watch. This is another watch. This is actually kind of almost a re-review because I did purchase this model watch in a different color, and then I did a review, but I ended up purchasing one in the color that I actually decided that I wanted after I reviewed the first one. So I'm going to get into the box here and show you guys which watch I'm talking about. It is a Pagani design. Now, I am not sponsored by Pagani Design, but I think they have some great watches, and I definitely do recommend Pagani Design. They've got watches at a great price, and they're really, really good quality watches. So I have very seldom been disappointed by Pagani Design at this point. So this is the watch. I don't know if you do remember this from the channel, but I did purchase this watch, and it was in the army green color. And due to the fact that I was a paramedic for a long time, the blue really struck me on this watch. And I looked at the watch and I thought, you know, this is a really nice looking rugged watch, and it would look really great with a, if you're a paramedic, if you're a firefighter, paramedic, EMT, or police officer. This is a really, really nice watch that would look great with any of those uniforms. Also, it is an analog watch, and analog watches are really great to have, especially if you're a paramedic. And so let's get into this watch. This watch is really, really highly spec'd. It does have a sapphire crystal. This is the Pagani Design PD1767 watch. It does have a stainless steel case with a sapphire crystal. It does have an automatic movement, and it is a caliber 2C10, which is based on the Seiko 709A. It's automatic, self-winding, mechanical, and it does have a power meter reserve on it, so it will show you how much of a wind you do have on the watch. This watch does also boast a 36-hour power reserve on it. So you can kind of see as I'm winding it, that power reserve meter is going up. So when you're all the way at the top, then that means you've got 36 hours of power reserve on this watch, and it is fully wound. It's always nice to have a power meter, reserve meter, because then you know when you're done winding it. So right now you're done winding it, but if you didn't have the reserve, you'd be like, well, maybe I need to wind it a little bit more. So that's really a nice option to have. So now it's actually full, and as it starts to operate, it's going to obviously dwindle down, and then you can rewind it. But once again, really nice watch. You've got your second hand is over in that window by the 9 o'clock position. So it is actually ticking away, as you can see it, sweeping forward. But very nice watch, like I was saying before. Would definitely look really great if you're a paramedic or an EMT. It really is. I would call this an EMT watch. It does have the exhibition case in the back, which you guys all know. I'm a huge fan of these exhibition cases, so you can actually see what's going on inside the watch. It does have the bubble sapphire crystal on it, so it is domed. Very, very nice watch with the signature on the side. Bezel works very well. Very nice bezel. It's just a smooth, pleasurable turn on this bezel, and it just has no back play whatsoever. It's just a really, really tight bezel. It does boast 200 meters of water resistance, and it is an anti-shock watch. It does have a very nice lume capability. I don't know if I can demonstrate that right now. Let me hold it up in front of the light for a second and see what it's got. Yeah, see, you can kind of see the lume. It's very, very nicely brightly lit lume. This watch is available in 4 different colors on Amazon right now. It's available in the obviously the blue. It's got the army green. It's got the black with the black band and the black dial, and the gray with the gray band and the gray dial. It's a very heavy duty nylon strap, stitched very, very nicely with the Pagani design signature on the buckle. Very, very nice watch all around. This is a great quality, durable watch. Like I said, if you're in the public service field and you're a paramedic or an EMT or even a police officer, this is a great looking watch. It's very rugged looking, very masculine design, just a great watch all around. And I think it's got, you know, it's even got the Pagani design logo on the counterweight in the back. Just a very nice watch all around. I cannot recommend it highly enough. Like I said, I originally bought the army green one, but like I said, due to my affiliation with the paramedic service for the years that I was on the job, the blue one kind of really struck me. So I actually returned the army green one and bought the blue one. A very nice watch. Can't say enough good things about it. Once again, it is the Pagani design, PD1767, and it is available right now. Buddy, you got to get out of the way. It is available right now on Amazon for somewhere in the price range of $135. And I will post a affiliate link to that in the description below. That affiliate link does not change the price for you. The price is what it is. The only difference is I get a small commission if you do decide to purchase it using that link, and that is very much appreciated. But anyway, like I said before, the PD1767 stainless steel sapphire crystal automatic, caliber 2C10 movement, automatic self-winding mechanical with a power meter reserve, and the second hand off to the side, 200 meters of water resistance, anti-shock, and available in 4 different colors. So if you are interested, I would appreciate you clicking on that affiliate link and heading on over. So till next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick them up for yourselves. So till next time, I am Dave the Watchman, and today is Friday in beautiful sunny Florida, and I am looking forward to a great weekend. So I hope you guys are all having a great day and have a great weekend. I will see you guys in the next watch review video. Have a great day.